Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have a super easy tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to transfer videos and photos and any kind of files pretty much from your iPhone over to your Mac. There's a variety of ways that you can do it, and this is a really easy way, couple easy ways that you can do it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it with your USB cable that you'd plug into your Mac, your iMac, your MacBook Pro, or whatever. And then I'm going to show you how to do it without a cable. Two super easy ways. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have your cable, don't worry about it. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your phone, and let's say I have a file here. Let's say this video right here in the corner, this peanut butter balls video, and I want to get that over onto my computer. Well, really easy. Come over here in the lower corner, left corner, and hit the share button. And then we're going to select AirDrop. And then find your device. That's my iMac. I'll just click that. And I heard a little it's going over, and it was sent. That easy, super easy. And then if I come down here into my downloads, there it is right there. I'll just open it up in the Finder. And there is the video right there in my downloads. Then I can move it to...
Let's make peanut butter balls. Add 3/4 cup of peanut butter.
I can move that file over to wherever I want on my computer. Super, super easy, okay? But let's say you don't want to do the AirDrop for some reason. Just plug in. You're going to just plug in your phone to your Mac. And then you're going to come over here and open up your Photos app, okay? And then you'll select your iPhone over here on the left. And then it's going to say preparing to import from iPhone. And then you can come down here and you can select whatever you want, whatever photo or video that you want. Let's do that same peanut butter one. Just select it and then import. Import selected, or if you have all new ones, you can just import all new ones. And if you want to delete it off your phone after you import it, then just select this delete items after import. And then just do import selected. And then it shows up right here in your Photos app. And then you can click this with your mouse and you can drag that file into other folders if you want. Like if you have a folder that you want to, let's say, import it into like Adobe Premiere or something like that to edit it, then you can just drag it into a different folder, or you can just drag it straight from here and put it into the program, okay? And then another way you can do it with your phone connected to your Mac is just come up here to the search spotlight search and type in image capture. Select the image capture app. And then what you'll do is you'll select your phone, and then it'll bring up the files right there, and you can just select whatever one that you want to bring in, like this one, and then we can download it. And then down here you'll select what folder you want to do it. I'm just going to put it on the desktop so it's really easy to see. And then hit download. And it showed up on my other monitor, but here it is right here. Pretty simple, pretty awesome. Really easy to get photos and videos from your iPhone over onto your computer, onto your Mac. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Make sure to check out my food channel, In the Kitchen with Matt, if you love food. Until next time, take care everyone.